When I'm solving a problem like this, the first thing I like to do is think of this as a great big multiplication problem. This is saying this times this. So everything is being multiplied together because this is 5 squared times x squared times y to the 8th times 5 times x to the 3rd times y to the 3rd. So you can just even erase these parentheses. So a bunch of things being multiplied together. Now, if these were all numbers that we knew, then we just multiply them all out. But some of them are unknown numbers, are variables. So what I like to do next is to regroup. So let's group the things that are similar together. So this 5 squared and this 5, let's group those together. 5 squared times 5. Now let's do the y, or the x's. X to the 4th and x to the 3rd. So x to the 4th times x to the 3rd. And then the y's. So we have y to the 8th and y to the 7th. So I'm going to write those down. So remember, when you have numbers that have the same base, like this x and x, being multiplied together, what do we do with those exponents? We add them. So this is x to the 4 plus 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So, because this is saying x is multiplied together 4 times, and then 3 more times, so a total of 7 times. Let's do that with the y's as well. This is y's multiplied together 8 times, y's multiplied together 7 times. So in total, it's multiplied together 15 times. Now, when you have something like this over here on the left in the green, these are just numbers. We could do that. We could say this is the same as 5 multiplied together 2 times and 5 multiplied together 1 time. So that is 5 multiplied together 3 times. But we need to simplify this 5 to the 3rd a little more. We can figure out what is 5 to the 3rd because we know that is 5 times 5 times 5. We can't do anything with this x to the 7th and y to the 15th because we don't know what x and y are. But 5 to the 3rd is 125. So our answer is 125 times x to the 7th times y to the 15th.